Hello everyone and welcome to our how-to series of short videos. My name is Majala McConville and I'm a teacher with Tullamore FETC, and today I'm going to show you how to upload your assignment to Moodle. First things first, you must be in your Office 365 account, and in the top left hand corner you will see your app launcher. Click on App Launcher and you will find your Moodle plugin app here. If it's not available here, it will be available in the More Apps option. Click on Moodle plugin and it will bring you to your own personal Moodle page. So any courses that you've been assigned to will be available here in the form of a tile. These are called tiles. I know I have an assignment due for legal practice and procedures, so I want to click on that course. It takes me into the main page of the course and scroll down until you find submissions. Here I can see assignment 1 was opened on Saturday the 28th of September and it's due on Saturday the 5th of October. Click on assignment 1 and it will bring me into the first upload page. Here I can check my brief if I want to, but in this case I just want to add submission. Click on add submission and it will bring me into the main upload page. Scrolling down then, you will be asked to accept the latest Turnitin software before you can move on. And this is a plagiarism checker that returns a percentage of your assignment that has been plagiarized or not, as the case may be. Moving on down then to add submissions, we have another checkbox here that we must check before we can move on, and this is an honour declaration to say that the assignment is your own work. Underneath that then you have file submission and you have an option to upload a file or a folder. In this case I want to upload a file, so you must remember where you saved the file to. Click on File and choose File. This will bring you back to your own computer then, where you have saved your assignment. In this case I have it on my desktop in my assignment folder, so I click on the assignment and open. Moving back then to the Moodle page then, I just simply click on upload this file. One more thing I have to do is just scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Once you have done that, you will get an email that will tell you that your assignment has been turned in, and it's queued then for the plagiarism checker as well. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Please check out our other short videos in the series.